Understanding Room Rate, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an interesting topic to discuss: room rate. Whether you are traveling or just interested in expanding your English vocabulary, understanding this term is quite important. So, let's dive right in and explore what room rate means and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Room rate is a term commonly used in the hospitality industry, particularly in hotels and accommodations. It refers to the cost per night for a room. This rate can vary based on several factors, including the type of room, the location of the hotel, the time of year, and the amenities provided. 2.1 Type of room. The room rate can vary significantly depending on the type of room you choose. For example, a standard room will generally be less expensive than a suite or a room with a balcony. 2.2 Location. The location of the hotel plays a crucial role in determining the room rate. Hotels in prime locations, such as city centers or near major attractions, tend to have higher room rates. 2.3 Time of year. Room rates can also fluctuate based on the season. During peak travel seasons, when demand is high, room rates are likely to be higher. 2.4 Amenities. The amenities provided by the hotel can also affect the room rate. For instance, hotels that offer luxurious amenities like a spa, gym, or fine dining restaurants may charge more. Here are some examples of how room rate can be used in sentences. The room rate at this hotel includes breakfast and free Wi-Fi. We got a discounted room rate because we booked our stay months in advance. The room rate goes up significantly during the summer months. 4.1 Does the room rate include taxes? This is a common question travelers have. It's important to check with the hotel, as in some cases, taxes may be included in the advertised room rate, while in others, they may be charged separately. 4.2 Can I negotiate the room rate? In some instances, especially if you are staying for an extended period or booking multiple rooms, you might be able to negotiate the room rate. That brings us to the end of our discussion on room rate. We hope this video has helped clarify what this term means and how it can vary based on different factors. Remember, understanding terms like room rate can enhance your travel experience and help you make more informed decisions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.